Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for October and I've got Asos, and this is their monthly beauty box which costs £12 and it's all to do with hair. So if you're new to Asos, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it, but as always, if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside this box, then you will find a timestamp down below in my comments, so you're free to flick forward. Asos have been doing these monthly beauty boxes for a couple of years and I get every single one of them. Sometimes I get them as PR a little bit early, so then I'm able to show you a bit of a spoiler video. Sometimes I don't, which is fine, so then I purchase it myself. They've got a huge beauty range and there's always a 30% off sale on a selection of their products on there. So yeah, it's a really good website. Especially because I pay, is it £9.99 a year, and that entitles me for free next day delivery. Now these boxes are released in the UK first and then they get released throughout the month then to different countries. It's not a subscription, they just sell these boxes on their website and you're able to see the content. So if you want it, you purchase it. If you don't, then you don't have to. The cost of the boxes are £12, but sometimes they have had a total brand box and they tend to be a little bit more expensive. And we have seen a £20 box where inside there was 9 products, so they do vary now and again, but generally month to month they're £12 boxes. There's no particular date that they are released, but as soon as I know when they're going to be released and I find out the contents, then I post up everywhere. I post up on my Instagram page, my Facebook page and my Twitter page, which I don't really use, but I post up there as well. As soon as it goes on sale, I also post up direct links as well, because sometimes these boxes sell out super fast. If you're not already following me on Facebook or Instagram, then you're welcome to do so. Both are under Diaryofabeautygeek. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out or if you want to know a little bit more, then please ask away. But yeah, so let's get on to showing you what's inside. So you get a little card and it details everything about the products on here, which I will refer to as we go through it. You might not be able to see everything, but I'll just give you a little sneak peek. So the theme is your time to shine. While winter does have its perks, it's a real roller coaster for your hair. Luckily, this face and body box is here to the rescue. Packed with 6 of our trusted hair care heroes, including cult brands like Away and Easy Locks, this box can almost guarantee a silky smooth October. So first up then, we got a shampoo, a smooth shampoo by Monday. This is with shea butter, 0% SLS and PETA certified, and there's 350 mils here. Gorgeous packaging, isn't it? It is beautiful. I haven't tried any products from this brand before, so it's brand new for me. Monday Hair Care is changing the game, starting with a smooth shampoo which uses nourishing ingredients like shea butter and coconut oil to prevent fizz in any hair texture. We love that they're launching in the UK next month even more. Follow this with Hair Bursts Mini Conditioner, and we've got here 60 mils. You can find the matching shampoo on Asos too. This is made with natural ingredients for longer and stronger hair. Name a more iconic duo, we'll wait. Next up, we got a mask. Your hair's really in for a treat with this Away treatment mask. Made for fine to medium hair, it doesn't weigh your hair down but hydrates, helps to repair damage and turns the volume up. Alternate between this mask and this Camellia Rose Coconut Water Leave-In Detangling Hair Treatment. Another new brand I haven't heard of before. Maximum hydration, and there's 240 mils here. So a nice big size. Not only does this smell like beach holiday, it's super hydrating without being greasy. Well, I'm gonna have to smell it then, aren't I? Oh, what am I doing? Oh my word, yeah. Yeah, that is gorgeous. Oh, Leave-In Detangling Hair Treatment for silky soft hair. It says our hair needs heat protection all year round, not just during the summer hauls. Pop on some Easy Locks Mini Rose Gold Oil before drying, straightening or curling to avoid any damage. This is a heat protector, pro, deep nourishment and powerful protection. We've got 50 mils here. You can apply it to damp or dry hair on your mid-lengths to ends, and yeah, and just style as normal. So there's that. And then lastly, we got something really cute. It says, and if you're wanting a hassle-free style, tie your hair up with the Invisibobble Floors Bloom Scrunchie. It's a guarantee outfit of the day worthy statement. Look at this. Look at that. That is different, isn't it? It's really pretty. I like it with all the tassels. So those are all the products inside this month's Asos beauty box. The cost of the box is £12 and they say it has a saving of at least like 75% or more. I do really like this month's theme. When I heard about it, I wasn't too sure whether we'd have like similar products to what we've had before, but no, I really do like this. I cannot wait to try this one. I cannot wait. The only thing is that we've got a shampoo by Monday and we've got a conditioner by Hairburst, but I would have loved to have tried a conditioner by Monday, even if it was a little, you know, a smaller one. But besides that, I do think it's a really nice box for £12. Really, really good, especially if you take out what I do, the £10 a year for free next day delivery. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Did you get one for yourself? Or did you have a look at the contents and you think, nah, it's not for me? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.